Hey guys, what's up? It's Candace and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are habitual YouTube scrollers like I am, I'm sure you've probably seen your fair share of reviews on the Halloween mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Well guys, I got my hands on one. So I wanted to quickly share with you all what I got in this box, even though I know you've probably already seen everybody else's, but I wanted to share it with you anyways. So maybe the next time that he does a mystery box launch, you can decide whether or not you want to get one. So if you want to see what I got in the Halloween Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box, then be sure to keep on watching. But before you do that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an upload from me. Alright guys, let's jump into the video. Right, so if you are not familiar with Jeffree Star Cosmetics or Jeffree Star, then where have you been? But anyways, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, they have amazing products, you guys. Say what you want about the man, but his products are bomb. So every now and then, I think maybe like last year sometime, he started doing these mystery boxes. And I don't know if it's just like surplus of product or I don't know. But he throws random things into a box and you don't know what you're gonna get. So he has 3 different size boxes, and depending on how much you want to pay, depends on what you get. So I did receive the premium box, which premium you would think it's big, but no, it's small. So the premium box is the smallest box he did for this launch. And I'm kind of nervous because it's Halloween. It's called the Halloween mystery box. So I'm kind of nervous and like, am I gonna get a lot of freaky bold colors? And you all know that as bold as I get is my red lips. So I'm really hoping that I can use and will use some of the products that are in here. If not, lucky for you guys, because I'll be probably giving it away in next month's Instagram giveaway. So let's go ahead, stop talking, and jump into the unboxing. All right, I haven't opened it, I just cut it open. So all right, everything's all nice and securely packaged here. So it looks like I've got 4 items. So the first one is a lip ammunition. So lip ammunitions are Jeffree's version of lipstick. So, and it looks like it says it's in the shade Brown Sugar. And I just love the packaging. It looks like a bullet, like lip ammo, get it? And I don't have any, I love this packaging. I can't remember which launch it was. I feel like this is maybe a couple launches ago when he did this chartreuse color. No, it was when they did the Jawbreaker. So I guess that was the last launch. But anyways. Oh wow, okay. So here is what this looks like. It's like a gold lipstick color. Now I don't know if this is to be worn by itself or if it's like a topper, but I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm probably gonna give this away, so I don't wanna touch it because I don't know that I would ever wear this, not even in the summertime. This is just not my jam, so I will give that to somebody else. Next we have a velour liquid lip. So velour liquid lip is obviously his liquid lipsticks, and they are all matte. You guys, I have tried so many liquid lipsticks, but Jeffree's, they're up there in like my top 3 to 5, okay? They're not drying, they don't feel all cakey, they don't make your lips look like they're cracked, they're very long wearing, they smell great, and they're easy to get off, and they don't stain my lips, so that's always a plus. This is in the shade First Class. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's like a gold color, and it looks like it matches the lip ammo. So again, I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm gonna give it away to somebody. I wouldn't use this, but this would probably look really cute over some type of nudie mauve lip. This would be really cute, or in the center of your lip, and hell, maybe even pop it on your eyelid. I don't know, but that's for somebody else to try. Looks like we have another velour liquid lip, and based on this packaging, it's black and orange. I've not seen this packaging before, so this leads me to believe that this is the exclusive item for this Halloween mystery box. And it says the color is Soul Sucker. Oh, okay. It is like a black color with like a gold and orange glitter shimmer in it. Definitely not a Candace color, y'all. Again, not gonna swatch it because I'm not gonna use it, but definitely if you can see, if the camera picks up the wand, look at the gold and orange glitter on it. Okay, yeah, definitely will not be using that. So here's 3 items. We're 0-3 for the giveaway pile. And the last item, which was securely wrapped up here. Oh shoot, I tore it. Oh, it is the mini breaker palette. So the mini breaker palette launched with this brown sugar. Whoops, with this brown sugar. As you can tell, the packaging is the same color. This like neon chartreuse greeny yellow color. So this is an eyeshadow palette. I do know that. Here is what the outside packaging looks like. Super cute. And so this is the mini version of the Jawbreaker palette. And I don't remember how many pans the Jawbreaker has, but this has 9. It's got a mirror. And this has 9 shades in it. This is definitely a summer launch and a summer palette. Tons of pinks, purples, gold, orange. Very, very gorgeous colors. It's just not my cup of tea. So this too will be going in the giveaway pile. So y'all, I'm so disappointed. All 4 items will be going in the giveaway pile because these aren't my colors. These are not my jam. So hopefully someone else can get some love out of these because I won't be using them at all. So now I do believe, now let me go to the website really quickly so I don't tell y'all a lie, but I feel like each box is guaranteed to be over a certain value as far as the product that you get inside. Let me see. So, oh, and that's the thing too, is like each box, like you can get a combination of like makeup, accessories, or apparel. So obviously I just got makeup. So this is the premium box and it will contain 4 items. The deluxe box, which was the next size up, will contain 8 items, and the supreme contains 13 items. Okay, so yeah, so it doesn't say anything about the value, but I'm thinking in my head, I read somewhere like the value is supposed to be at least $50 for the premium box. And based on, so I know all of his lipsticks are $18 and this palette is $28. So all of that together, $82. So not bad. So if you paid full price at $40 for it, then you would have doubled your money in products. So I guess that's pretty good. So you got 4 products basically half off. So I'm not mad at it. But again, I am mad at the fact that I don't like any of the products as far as like the colors. The formulas I know for a fact are bomb, but the color of the palette, the shades, I wouldn't wear those. The lipsticks, I wouldn't wear those. So these will be going into my giveaway for next month. Speaking of giveaway, if you're watching this video before November 1st, then right now for the month of October, I have a giveaway going on over on my Instagram, which is at @bigbluedebutante. I'll have it down here, somewhere up here in the description box. To be entered, all you have to do is to like all of the pictures that I've posted on my timeline for the month of October. Okay, so I will not draw a winner until November 1st because obviously you gotta like whatever I post on the 31st. So like all of my pictures from the month of October and you will be entered into a drawing to win one of 4 beauty boxes. And I I will insert a clip somewhere in here so you can kind of see what the mystery boxes are. But it's full of tons of goodies. All of the mystery boxes are valued at over $200 each. Each box will have a full-size eyeshadow and or blush palette in it. Tons of great products, eyelashes, lipsticks, skincare, you name it, I've got it in there. I've got so much stuff, you guys, that's brand new, never used, sent to me in PR that, you know, they're maybe not the right shade for me, not the right products. I mean, whatever. I've got so many of them that I want to share with you guys. So we will be having a giveaway like this every month through Christmas. So be sure to go over there and give me a follow, like my pictures, and enter the giveaway. All right, guys, that is it. I will be putting these up in safekeeping for the next giveaway. But if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an upload from me. And while you're doing all of that, don't forget to share this video, share my channel with your friends, brothers, sisters, mom, dad, aunties, cousins, I don't know, whomever, because sharing is caring, you guys, so why wouldn't you share, okay? Help a sister out. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I will see you all probably next week, maybe. Okay, I'm not even gonna like throw that out there in the event that I don't, but I'm gonna do it, okay? I have got to get back on a schedule for my videos, at least 1 to 2 times a week, every single week. That's the goal, you guys. Somebody hold me accountable. Please help me. Hold me accountable. All right, guys, that's enough. All right, I'm out. Bye, guys.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me.